should one incorporate bay leaf tea into their daily routine? What are the health benefits and potential risks associated with this ancient plant? Are claims of bay leaf possessing medicinal properties, such as aiding digestion, fighting inflammation, and relieving pain, based on truth or myth? In this video, I'll discuss the wonders of bay leaf, the noticeable improvements in your health upon regular consumption, and who should exercise caution when using it. Finally, I'll demonstrate how to prepare and consume bay leaf tea to maximize its medicinal potential. Stay tuned until the conclusion, as it's crucial to share this valuable knowledge with your friends and family for the betterment of health. Feel free to let me know if bay leaf is part of your diet and your geographical location. Share your thoughts below. Here we go. Laurel, originating in the Mediterranean region, held significant cultural and symbolic value in ancient Greece. It was revered as a miraculous plant, symbolizing protection and the presence of Apollo, the god of healing, music, and prophecy. Apollo's association with beauty further elevated the status of laurel in Greek culture. Utilized in religious ceremonies, rituals, and festivals, laurel was a prominent feature, with winners of the ancient Olympic Games being awarded crowns made of laurel leaves as a symbol of victory and divine recognition. The Romans continued this symbolism, presenting laurel wreaths to esteemed individuals such as victorious soldiers, emperors, and poets. Today, bay leaves are readily available in supermarkets, and as I often emphasize, there are numerous simple and affordable lifestyle changes we can make to improve our health. Incorporating more herbs, fruits, and vegetables into our diets while minimizing the consumption of sugar and ultra-processed foods can have significant positive impacts on our well-being. However, does scientific evidence support the ancient beliefs about bay leaf, or is it merely regarded as a flavor enhancer in modern cuisine? Here are 7 compelling reasons why bay leaf should become a staple in your daily diet. Benefit 1. Bay leaf can help improve your heart health. As mentioned, bay leaf possesses antioxidant properties that protect the cardiovascular system and reduce inflammation in the body, thereby aiding in the reduction of atherosclerosis progression. Additionally, bay leaf contains caffeic acid, which contributes to improving cholesterol levels by reducing triglycerides and increasing HDL, good cholesterol. These effects collectively support cardiovascular health. Furthermore, bay leaf contains coumarin, which has anticoagulant properties, further benefiting heart health by helping to prevent blood clot formation. Benefit 2. Bay leaf can alleviate respiratory problems. In addition to boosting immunity, detoxifying the body, and exhibiting antiviral and antibacterial effects, inhaling the aroma of bay leaves through teas, vapor, or essential oils can be beneficial. This inhalation can help open airways, promote a sense of well-being, and relieve symptoms of nasal congestion and coughing. The aroma of bay laurel possesses decongestant and expectorant properties, which help liquefy mucus and provide relief and a sense of well-being to individuals suffering from respiratory problems. Benefit 3. Bay leaf may help with blood sugar regulation. Some studies suggest that bay leaf can assist in regulating blood sugar levels, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or prediabetes. Bay leaf may aid in reducing insulin resistance. For instance, a study involving a small group of diabetics who were given 3 grams of bay leaf powder in capsule form for 30 days showed significant reductions in glucose levels, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, along with an increase in good cholesterol. Benefit 4. Bay leaf may have a calming effect. Bay leaves contain linalool, a compound known for its relaxing properties, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Moreover, the scent of bay leaf can positively impact mental and emotional health. Bay leaf can be utilized in aromatherapy to promote feelings of relaxation and well-being. The therapeutic aroma of bay leaf has the potential to calm the mind and promote a sense of peace. There are various ways to incorporate bay leaf into your relaxation routine, such as using bay leaf essential oil in an aroma diffuser, adding it to warm water for compresses, or enjoying bay leaf tea. Even a small cup of laurel tea can serve as a self-care ritual, offering a moment of pause. Benefit 5. Bay leaf can provide relief if you suffer from joint pain, lower back pain, and rely on frequent painkillers and anti-inflammatories. Switching to bay leaf could be beneficial as it is rich in eugenol, which possesses antioxidant properties. These properties combat free radicals that may damage cells and contribute to premature aging and disease. Additionally, eugenol offers potential benefits such as anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antimicrobial effects. Moreover, bay leaf may help modulate the immune system, aiding in regulating the body's inflammatory response. This modulation is essential as an unregulated immune response can lead to chronic inflammation, and bay leaf can help maintain balance in this regard. Benefit 6. Bay leaf can improve your digestion. If you're experiencing poor digestion or a bloated stomach, bay leaf may provide relief. Its leaves contain natural compounds like eugenol, which have carminative and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties help alleviate gas and reduce bloating. Additionally, eugenol stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, making digestion more efficient. Furthermore, bay leaf's anti-inflammatory properties can ease irritation and discomfort in the digestive system. Benefit 7. Laurel can boost your immune system. If you're prone to recurring infections, frequently catch colds and flus, or have a compromised immune system, bay leaf could be a valuable addition to your regimen. Laurel is rich in essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, zinc, and potassium, crucial for immune function. Moreover, it exhibits antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal effects. Studies have shown that bay leaf is rich in polyphenols, which combat oxidative stress and neutralize free radicals, thereby strengthening the immune system. Additionally, bay leaf may act as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial intestinal bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, further enhancing immunity. Consider incorporating bay leaf into your dishes or increasing its usage for immune support. Therefore, if you're scheduled for surgery, it's advisable to abstain from consuming bay leaf for a few days beforehand. Additionally, bay leaf has the potential to lower blood pressure. While bay leaf offers numerous benefits for cardiovascular health, it's essential to be aware of the risks associated with its consumption. As with any substance, moderation is key, and consuming excessive amounts of bay leaf should be avoided. Just because bay leaf is beneficial doesn't mean that consuming bay leaf tea excessively is advisable. Bay leaf is a natural herb. It can still have adverse effects if consumed in large quantities. Moreover, bay leaf may interact with certain medications, especially if you are taking multiple medications, have specific health conditions, or have allergies. It's crucial to communicate with your doctor about any concerns regarding the consumption of bay leaf, especially if you are on medication or have underlying health issues. Consulting with your healthcare provider can help ensure safe and appropriate usage of bay leaf in your diet. Of course, it's improbable that a cup of bay leaf tea will cause harm. However, certain individuals should exercise caution and avoid bay leaf consumption. These include pregnant women, nursing mothers, and young children under the age of 2. As with any dietary consideration, it's essential to prioritize safety and adhere to recommended guidelines, particularly for vulnerable populations. Choking incidents related to bay leaves in food can occur due to their tough and fibrous nature, especially the stem, which can potentially puncture parts of the digestive system. To maximize the benefits of bay leaf consumption, it's advisable to avoid supplements. While supplements are widely available, they may contain doses that are too high and could pose risks, especially for children. Instead, incorporating bay leaf directly into your food as a spice is the preferred method. A recommended amount is 1 to 3 grams of bay leaf in food, which is considered a moderate quantity. As with any dietary component, the key is moderation. Consuming too much of anything can lead to adverse effects. Therefore, it's essential to use bay leaf judiciously as a culinary ingredient to reap its benefits, without risking excessive consumption. The process of making bay tea is straightforward. Here's a basic recipe. Ingredients: 4 bay leaves and 500 milliliters of water. Instructions: 1. Bring the water to a boil in a pot. 2. Once the water is boiling, add the bay leaves to the pot. 3. Allow the bay leaves to steep in the boiling water for a few minutes. This helps to release all the flavors and nutrients from the bay leaves. 4. After steeping, turn off the heat and let the bay leaves steep further in the hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. 5. Once the steeping is complete, strain the tea to remove the bay leaves. 6. You can enjoy the bay tea warm, which can aid digestion, or add ice cubes to enjoy it cold. 7. It's best not to sweeten the tea, but if desired, you can add a little honey for flavor. A frequently asked question is whether fresh or dried bay leaves are better. When using bay leaves for tea, fresh leaves may have a higher concentration of essential oils, such as eugenol and linalool, which contribute to the characteristic aroma and flavor of the tea. However, dried bay leaves are more readily available and can also be used to make flavorful and aromatic tea. As the leaves dry, some of the essential oils in bay leaves may evaporate, resulting in a less intense aroma. However, dried bay leaves are more readily available than fresh ones, making them easier to find. Additionally, many studies on bay leaves focus on enjoy bay leaf and its benefits in moderation. If you enjoyed this video, please help by sharing it, liking, subscribing,